Binance, led by the world's richest crypto billionaire, is taking a $200 million stake in Forbes. The funds will help Forbes execute on its plan to merge with a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC. In the first quarter, according to people with knowledge on the deal, Binance will replace half of the $400 million in commitments from institutional investors announced earlier, making it one of the top two biggest owners of Forbes after its listing. Hey, Will, why would a crypto exchange at the scale of Binance, why would they be interested in a publication like Forbes? Go ahead, Will.
Definitely want to be number one in like the articles and everything. You know,
You talking about influence?
more coverage.
You talking about Jeff Bezos buying the Washington Post? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
So if all we need to do is buy one of these things for a couple $100 million, and then every story is just about this show right here. Is that how it works? Will?
We should look into Forbes.
Or do we just start saying outrageous things, and then people get mad, and then all of a sudden,
yeah, we can do that too.
No, we're not doing that.
Okay.
All right, we walk the tightrope. That's what this show's about. We try to exist on that thin line. We try to stay balanced on that thin line.
Yeah.
You know?
All the time.
You know, you just kind of walk
scary.
across it. You know, no, dude, don't look down. Never look down.
No.
Don't look down.
Yeah, you're dead.
Yeah, okay. So it looks like they got an interview with the CEO as well. It's competitive in the crypto exchange space, and everybody's looking for an edge. Of course, we've talked about the things that Crypto.com has done to stay in the public eye as far as sponsorships go, affiliations with the likes of Matt Damon, LeBron James, the former Staples Center where the Lakers play. And actually this show, they're going to be sponsoring an episode coming up.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
So Crypto.com is out. They're just doing this out in public. You know what I'm saying? You know what this is, Will? For those that are just listening, they're like, what the hell is he doing? I'm doing the money when you're flicking the bills in this direction over here.
Making it rain.
How about the fact that Forbes has been around for 104 years? I would not have guessed that.
No kidding.
That's a long time, man.
Just publishing magazines.
Yeah, well, sure. Originally, yeah, paper. Would have been paper, Will.
Wow. Okay.